How to install Mr. Cooper app, revolutionary home loan tools. So just tap get and then double click to install, and then you can just get started. Own your home like a real estate expert. Track your home value and equity. Make payments from anywhere 24/7. Find personal refinance and home loan options. Stress-free home ownership at your fingertips. Keeping track of your mortgage with Mr. Cooper is more convenient than ever. Make payments quickly, monitor your FICO score, and see customized ways to leverage your home equity. Manage your mortgage from anywhere 24/7. Handle the basics with ease, safely and securely make payments or set up autopay. Track your home value and equity. Explore personalized refinance options with Refi IQ. Get pre-qualified and shop smarter. So yeah, that's the app you can install. So yeah, and then you can just also tap to register account. You will be redirected to a separate website where you can just and then you can also tap sign in, where you can just sign in from here. So yeah, that's the idea. Forgot username, forgot password, and then there is help center where you can just get it. So yeah,